flashlight. Is that a gift? This is supposed to be a gift. Yeah. Alright. This is the Anode that I'm going to have to replace this because my water heater, it's 14 years old and I have never replaced this. And this the one in the water heater is solid, and this one you can see that's just to allow you to put this in because I hardly have any space on top of the water heater. Alright, so it comes because I don't have any tools, and it comes with this here, and yeah, it's a perfect fit. See? Perfect fit. And then you can put any size here. And to remove the old one, and also to tighten this one. Okay, so now we are at the water heater. There are a few things that we must do before we just go ahead and remove the Anode. Why? Because there's a lot of pressure, or there's pressure buildup in the tank. Because if you mess up with the thing without following the proper procedures, it could explode. So what we do, it's best you put it on pilot. This button here, you turn it and you put it on pilot. You don't turn it off, because if you turn it off, then you will have to ignite the burner. So you put it on pilot, and then this is the thermostat knob, and yeah, you can you turn it to like you turn it, and then you see now you turn it on. You put it on pilot. The reason is because the burner is not lit, so meaning that it will not warm up the water. Okay, then you will go ahead and see that the water line, that's the cold one here, so you have to shut it off, meaning that you do not want water to go in there. Okay, because we are going to remove several gallons to release the pressure out of the tank. Okay, so this is the Anode, so we are going to remove in a few minutes. But before I do that, I will. This is the part of the burner, and the heat will come out and then exit out of the house. So I will just this part here and remove this part, and so I can have more room to access the Anode. And since the tank is filled with water, it's filled up. So you see, this is the and the drainage. Yeah, you put a water hose, and then you drained several gallons. So this is a 40-gallon tank. I would probably drain about 10. 10 mean 10 will put the maybe at this level. You see here, at this level from here. Also turn the hot water faucet on, and the water pressure will diminish once the pressure is out of the water tank. Well, this is life. We have a dilemma, and this is this one, that big socket that comes with the Anode. I bought it specifically because I didn't have one that would fit in here, and apparently this thing is too big. Yeah, you see the perimeter is too big.